Good morning, guys. Now, what I'm going to show you is our office in Melbourne. No, that's the time when me and my family go to Melbourne just to visit our new place that we bought under self-managed super fund and under equity. So that's the building where Augment Group is located. So Augment is not own that building, but they have a big portion of that building inside. So behind that is the big grocery store, big car park, and that's what the place looks like. That's a bit, I think that's about 30 minutes away from the city, but still accessible. And that is the owner of Augment, the one in the middle, tall guy, Seth, and the co-owner, my friend Harry, and me, my wife, and my daughter, Keisha. So that's the time that we go there and visit the place, and at the same time we sign a deal for the equity house using our equity for the property that we have. And that is the inside the building, and beside my daughter is Kanika. She is the finance officer there, looking after our property, the one for self-managed super fund. And that's a bit of tour inside the Augment office in Melbourne, Victoria. And that's the front office where we held our pictures, and then we still get a tour around and inside the office, but I forgot to take a picture on the back. So on the back of that building there is a office of the finance, and then the other associates working in there, and even the property manager's office that's in there as well. And that's the meeting room where we held our private meeting in there. And on that one is my friend Harry. He is one of the director of Augment, and that's my place, the house that we bought under self-managed super fund. And that's me, my wife, and daughter Keisha. We go there and visit the place so that we just want to make sure that the business is real. Okay, and we already proved it that this is real. This is a really good investment for us, not for me only and for my wife, but for the future for our kids and the future of our families. So that's probably the last 2 weeks to build, and pretty much ready for rental. So we started our paperwork last May, and by June the house is ready, because before we bought that place, they already start building it. And when we go there, they just doing the finishing touch on the house and finishing touch on the paperwork as well. And this picture are in Truganina. That is the townhouses that they have. One of my kumpare bought one of the place there, and that's cost 670,000 using self-managed super fund. So they have 3-story, they have 2-story, they have single dwelling in there as well, and which is a pretty good deal for those people who want to use their self-managed super fund. And that is the Conroy Green. That's the place where we bought our equity, and we bought one property there under our equity. And that is a title land. It cost 675 when we sign on the contract on May. Yeah, that's 675, 520 square meter block, which is a good deal, still cheap compared to the one in Perth. Yeah, that's 674,520 square meter block. And the one that I bought in Tarnyet, that is 312 square meter only for $700. And that is the Floriana, the one that under equity as well. This is 1.5 to 2 more years before they start building, but you can reserve a place. You can lock the price. If you what you only need to do is just to pay 5% of the total value, mostly 35,000, and you can lock the price. Imagine in a period of 1 to, that's the other one, that's the other price, 645. We lock the price for 35,000, and that's 2 years before they start building it. Imagine, before 2 years, that cost is different now. That's the other development that they have, the Florian. The housing here is a bit expensive compared to the Floriana, and that's only 10 minutes away. That's subdivision, but the price is way big difference. But it's really good investment to put on. It's still under 700,000, and that's 500 square meter block. Some is 400, some is 412, some is 420. Depends on the block that you want. But still, smaller the block, that's smaller the price. So the bigger the block, that's the price gonna be a little bit bigger as well. But that's definitely up to you. And this one, that is the short computation that we have. That's about the payments that we're going to pay to the tax if you're going to sell the property in 5 or 6 more years. And that's the new price list that they gave us. Our 645 becomes 654, and then the similar property, similar size of blocks, just the price now 700, 697, etc. As you can see, the price is different now, which means after 1 or 2 months that I bought the property, the price already goes up. Although that's only 10 minutes away from our place, the pricing is way more different compared to what we looked before. That's one of the examples that I'm telling you that the market price here in Australia keeps going up every month, every week, every month. So it's up to you guys. Thank you, and hoping you get something from me. Bye bye.